Hello, I'm Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
Today we're talking about the triple bottom line. From the economic dimension, profit refers to the economic value created by an organization after deducting the cost of all inputs, including the cost of the occupied capital. Therefore, it is different from the traditional definition of profit accounting. Within the framework of sustainability, profit needs to be regarded as the real economic benefits enjoyed by the host society. It is the actual economic impact of an organization on its economic environment. Companies should ensure the benefits of people and the environment. If a company shows monetary profits, but their asbestos mine causes thousands of deaths from asbestosis, their copper mine pollutes our river, and the government eventually spends taxpayer money on health care and river cleaning. For example, Nielsen Company chose cheap labor, cheap way to dispose of waste. For the social dimension, the bottom line of people, social equity or human capital involves fair and beneficial labor and business practices, as well as communities and regions where businesses operate. Triple bottom line envisages a mutually beneficial social structure in which the interests of enterprises, workers, and other stakeholders are interdependent. Business committed to the triple bottom line seek to benefit many constituencies rather than exploit or endanger any group of constituencies. Companies should focus on employees and obey the law. Triple bottom line companies do not use child labor, nor monitor the use of child labor by all contractors. Pay fair wages to their workers, maintain safe working conditions and tolerable working hours, or otherwise use the community or its labor force. Triple bottom line companies often seek to contribute to the strength and development of their communities through healthcare and education. For example, Harvard's company creating a comfortable office environment. From the environment dimension, the planet environmental bottom line or nature capital bottom line refers to sustainable environmental practices. Companies should pursue sustainable development. Triple bottom line is committed to minimizing the impact on the environment as much as possible or at least without harming the natural order. Triple bottom line strives to reduce its ecological footprint by carefully managing its energy and non-renewable energy consumption, reducing waste manufacturing and reducing waste toxicity before disposing of waste in a safe and legal manner. They usually conduct life cycle assessments of products to determine the true environmental costs from the growth and harvest of raw materials to manufacturing, distribution, and the final disposal of end users. Triple bottom line avoids overfishing or other ecological damage that endangers resource consumption. In the long run, environmental sustainability tends to be a more profitable course for businesses. Generally speaking, sustainability reporting indicators are superior to social issues in quantifying and standardizing environmental issues. For example, DuPont Company uses technology research and development, product recycling. Next, my partner Chloe will talk.
I will talk about the special extent of the triple bottom line in Google. In Google Data Centric, there is an the dream of the Internet. In the 3 million work hours, there was no loss of the working hours. This is a great achievement. Google Data Century uses a water cooling system to reduce the equivalent temperature and reduce cost. Use 80% greater finality to protect the data center is more energy efficient than other competitors. Using a customer class of Google, the computer combines low power consumption with higher performance computing. In addition, Google pressured innovation. And on the social dimension of the triple bottom line is Google respects every employee. Employees have no gender limit. Google provides a space for employees to enter, allows employees to have fun and allow them to work with pets. At the same time, due to the big space of the data center, employees can use tables instead of working. In the spare time, employees of the information security teams create their own books. Employees like and enjoy challenging and be achieved in their work. On the environmental dimension of the triple bottom line, the data center is responsible for the healthy and safety of the work environment, and the level of information security is high. Different places have different levels of security. The base idea of designing a data center is to protect the security and protect of the user information using multiple layers and advanced security measures. The data center environment is beautiful, and Google's employee pressures standardized development. And
the reference, the source from Google.
that's all.
Thanks for watching.